how to make the yellow rabbit's ears. Furring the head I actually did on stream, so don't forget to miss out on any streams that I do, because you often have some crazy stuff happening, like, look, it's my cat! So, what tools will you need? Something to cut with, something to mark. No hot glue. Spray glue. Since I experimented with spray glue, I sprayed these three together with spray glue. So you can see these three here. And they are very strong together. It's a really good bond. Not the strongest, but it's kind of a little bit weaker than hot glue. But I think for this, it's gonna work good enough. So measuring, it's about what, 13 centimeters times 16. And remember, I made them 3 layers thick. So really basically what I'm doing is I'm drawing 3 squares on this foam to then glue them each other to like a big block, like a rectangle. Now I've taped on these squares that are perfectly sized. I'll make the square. Yep, 3 pieces are it. Oh well. Now I'm just simply gluing it together, all the squares, with spray glue, which surprisingly works really well. And now you have to do the same thing again and again for all the ears, making like drawing on 3 squares, cutting them out, gluing them together until you have 12 squares glued together to 4 rectangles. Of course, you then have to do some special like rounding off with the last 2 ears, but I will get to that in a bit. Now you need to simply draw on the roundness of the ears, such as the triangle kind of shaped topper ears, to then have it a bit easier when you cut it off, making it round later. Then, so they all stick together, I'm gonna put a weight on top. There we go. Take my drill battery. Should be enough weight. Now it's time to let it dry.
2,000 years later.
Now you just have to cut it round in all kinds of directions until you have a well-shaped ear, I would say. You do that with all 4 pieces until you have your good round shape. And don't forget to also cut the inner, like, inside ear. How do you call those? You know what I'm talking of. And they, outside the ears, they also it's just one foam layer that you just remove. Should be not too hard. Okay, ears are done. Cleanup time. I hope this tutorial for the ears like helped you create them. It's short, I know, but like more details if you need. It's all on stream for you to watch. And I wish you a happy 10-year FNAF anniversary, since this is currently happening whilst recording and uploading, since this does come out today on the 3rd, since it is also recorded today. But yeah, please like and subscribe if you want more of these tutorials. Don't forget to watch then the next episode, and if you haven't already watched the previous one, also go check them out. They're on the channel or the special playlist I made with all the episodes. And good luck with your cosplay. If you got any questions, go join the Discord server or post it in the comments. We will be gladly to help you.